Local or social media marketing. Use the expertise of the top brands in your industry. We work for the best-known brands in every sector, such as AMG, Aston Martin, Bugatti, Dior, Nespresso, Starbucks, Marriott, Accor, and many more. Whether restaurant or factory floor, we increase your visibility, increase your sales, and win new customers through an interactive experience. Well thought out and holistic concepts instead of standard tours. A user experience from online to your front door, whether showrooms, office spaces, exclusive event spaces, or hotels. Increase your efficiency with the help of modern marketing. Our customized concepts offer you an incredible ROI, increase the efficiency of you and your team, and are affordable at the same time. And best of all, your virtual tours can be transferred directly to Google Street View. 80% of your customers use Google Maps to get information, check reviews, and navigate to you. Appear in the best light here. We have experience on 3 continents: Europe, Asia, and Africa. Over 2,000 projects with 100 million generated impressions and visitors per year worldwide make us the leading provider of 3D tours and virtual experiences with marketing concept. Honored as Most Innovative Digital Marketing Concepts 2023. Your advantages, info points. Place important information directly in the tour. Create precise floor plans for better room planning. Discover many more functions that will take your online marketing to the next level. Experience the future of room presentation. Efficient, innovative, impressive. Contact us now for a no-obligation quote.